In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post Pinterest pins in n8n. By the end, you'll have a working HTTP request node that creates a pin through Pinterest's API, all inside an n8n workflow. Start by opening n8n in your browser and signing in to your workspace. From there, create a new workflow so you land in the visual editor. You'll see a clean canvas where we'll add just one node to handle the Pinterest call. Click the plus icon to add a node, then use the search bar to find HTTP request and select it. This is the node that lets n8n talk to external services. In the node settings, change the method to post because we're creating something new on Pinterest rather than fetching existing data. Next, enter the API URL for creating a pin on Pinterest. You'll get that endpoint from the Pinterest developer documentation for the version of the API you're using. Keep it consistent with your account's app settings so the call matches what Pinterest expects. Now set up authentication. In the authentication dropdown, choose the generic credential option, then select OAuth. In the OAuth section, open the OAuth1 API area and create a new credential. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. You'll be prompted to fill in the required fields provided by your Pinterest app, and n8n will guide you through the connection flow. Once authenticated, the credential will be available to this node, and you won't have to paste tokens into headers manually. With Auth in place, you can fine-tune the request. Enable send query parameters if your endpoint accepts parameters in the URL, like selecting a board or toggling features. Enable send headers if you need to define content type. With OAuth selected, authorization is handled for you, but headers such as content type, application.json can still be useful. Enable send body to include the data for your pin. Typically, this includes things like the board identifier, a title or note, a destination link if you want the pin to be clickable, and either an image URL or media details depending on the API's requirements. Check the Pinterest docs for exact field names and any constraints, and match the body type in n8n to the format the API expects, usually JSON. When everything looks good, click execute to test the node. Watch the output pane for a success response and details of the created pin. If you get an error, double check the endpoint, required fields, and your credential connection, then try again. That's it. You've posted a Pinterest pin from n8n using a single HTTP request node with proper authentication and a clean, reusable setup.